Good evening, everybody. It is 1:15 in the morning. Sorry. It's October the 2nd. I fell asleep in the chair. We have 5.6 at Sumbawa, Indonesia, and that was at 6.2 miles in depth. There was a 4.2, same location, Zimbabwe, Indonesia, at 17 miles in depth. A 5.0 just happened at 6.2 miles in depth in Indonesia. A 4.5 Mexico at 13 miles in depth. A 4.5 in northern central Iran, 6.2 miles in depth. A 3.2 northern Alaska, and that was at 1.9 miles in depth. And then you had a 4.9 near the coast of Japan at 20 miles in depth. All right, guys, that's all I've got. Indonesia's something's going on. I need to get some sleep. I'll leave the alarm set on the phone for full, and we'll see what we can. Hopefully, nothing will happen, but if it does, I'll get up and put it on. God bless. Be safe out there. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are awesome.